Hey guys, this is the episode, not a how-to episode, but kind of. Sorry about all that noise outside. It's because my mom is like cutting down the grass out there. Yeah. So I'm gonna play Truck Loader, and in the title you could see that I'm gonna make like fun because it's kind of funny. Where is it? It's right here. Yep, that's it. So, the second level is really funny. So I'm gonna make like funny stuff. So let's play. In the next episode, I'm gonna keep doing this. So let's start. So part. Okay. So we have to load the truck. Use arrows or AD to move. Sorry. I'm gonna call my sister. I'm gonna tell her to hold the camera. Okay. She's holding the camera. Hold it right. Okay. We're done. So this episode, this part, this like level, doesn't have any fun in it. So the second episode is the real fun. Real. Yeah, I really like this one. Hey. Okay, we're gonna start acting. Hey. Which button to it press? I guess both. Okay. Okay, I press K2. Now I press K1. Oh no, I forgot the box. Oh! Oh, there's a car right there. What? A car right there. When I press K2, it appeared. Now the box is on the other side. Come on. So his hand was a little glitchy, and his hand like stretched out, and he died. So let's do that again. I messed up. Oh, it's on its way. What? There's a car. Really? Yeah. You want it? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get it for you. If I can. Can I? I can't. Can I? Can I do this for my best friend? Oh man, oh yeah. Ah man. Bad luck. Oh man. Oh, there we go. Yes. The car is all weird. The box broke. Right. Yeah. Oh. Okay. It's so glitchy. Get in. Oh, it's stuck. Let's start it. You stop the video. You tell me, okay? Like 9 minutes, okay? You tell me. When it's 9 minutes, you tell me. What? Dude, I can't. Oh man, I'm gonna give you this car. I already have a car. It's the work car. I'm gonna give you a real car, so you could drive around anytime. Really? Can I look at it? Not yet. It's a surprise. Oh man. Ah. Okay, let's just do this level. Let's not goof around. That was an accident. Let's just destroy myself. Ah! Oh. Oh, this is what I could do. Oh. Idea failed. Okay, let's just do this. And I promise you, when that box cracked, it wasn't my fault. Okay. I'm just talking to my sister if you hear any voices. So. Oh! You got stuck. I need you. Oh man! Yeah, there's 2 ways to die. Funny ways to die. Oh no! Okay, that's another way to die. Now let's do this. Ooh, I need to press that button with my tires. Oh, there we go. Oh. What? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Don't crack the box! Oh no! Ah! My hand! Oh. Okay. Oh no. Come back here, box! Yeah, so I'm gonna complete this level in any second now. Oh man. Ugh. Oh man. I messed up. Every night it rains, yeah. There we go. Push it. There. What? I got both of them? That's weird. I should have. Okay. Leave this truck. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Woohoo! Bye! Okay. Let me get this box right here. Oh, up! I need to get back up there. I forgot something. I forgot my money up there. I forgot myself. Oh wait, I'm still here. I know that wasn't really that funny. Bye. So let's try level 5. Double fall. Let's see if that's funny. What is this? Q. Up. Oh, I remember something that I did yesterday. Oh, okay. My sister was. Well, it's time's up. Sorry, guys. It's time's up. So, I'm gonna make another episode of how to make fun of Truck Loader 2. Bye. Good look at that truck.
I was holding my breath that time.
And bye.